Edi ai.
Wo hye.
Sa bonsu ata na de bia ye di.
Ah, no no obi.
Wodi bi.
Aka ne yere bako.
Twane bo what?
Kai.
Na me dey dey.
Di kai no. Ya ma ne kasa bebre. Bla.
Na fa nya bi kwa ba sa wo beka ma asema.
Ya mo aponko.
Ah, me.
Ko no ntum.
Me kwene na beka atum. Me fie na mti o.
Oko. Chese bia.
Sika kekenti.
Sika.
Ah,
edi banku a.
Sika ye keke.
Sika
wokwai.
Me so ko alaji ni ho. Ese, alaji bi achechire me nsa gumachi papa me sum.
Tama de oye aduma. Sika wo. Ayam wandi dia bonten da.
Ukun oye aduma blue way pana.
Ye aduma wa yi kan.
Aduma blue way pan.
First no oye adwuma wo. Ya bato a ho no.
Entira tu mu ade no. So me fo ni bia.
Ni okona na me da na chi na wo de ko a. Wan hwe moja na manyi wako no.
E na me se fanze nya botre. Ewie wo nya me sachana. Bibi a wa hyese bia wo we mi ni hia nko wo. Uhu me na nte sa.
Na se ye me wanwa baba we na uhu no kwa no. Enne ni kate maso nyina wasi gold.
Na me so asoro lumba kan wante.
Na wo ba no wo nsusu a mo ne ho ka wo bo ne ho ka dodo. Wo ahyase
no wo bo ne ho ka.
Se me di ni fre aba ho. Se no wo sitie no. Na me be so obekọ ba be ntimi dim last nyina gu ni padwanim. Se no what you say?
Na ye me wanwan.
Enu pa ma toma venza no pa o wiase no. Ma ble.
Wa nye ye nyina firi wo no ene hwe. Pe kan akoma to ye obesa aba oba openiku.
Na otwumi ensa ni mini di. Ensuo nko a emi ko. Inu nsuo.
O yesa obewu o.
Na menya dan. Edi nchire gu nsuo no ma no mente kom.
Because very soon you be worry.
I don't think that is a warning.
Very soon, you know.
Yes, sure.
And it's how quite some now.
Yes, sure. Say a warning. Only warning you. You can never in your life warn
just watch me out.
I didn't have a. You
I said watch out.
You can't do nothing.
Watch out.
Yes.
Let's see.
I'm waiting for you.
Let's see.
I am waiting for you. I am not leaving.
No, do you think so? I don't know.
Wait for Jane.
Who the are you?
Because Jane overtold me.
Jane Beto.
I am not leaving this.
You are not even ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed of yourself.
Look at yourself.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Excuse me.
You should rather be ashamed of yourself.
Hey, Mami. So
what will you do?
What
will you do?
What tell me? Bakwata bro say Ojimi am boom.
Obey me.
I
am daring you.
I will beat you.
I am daring you. Just touch me. Oh, touch me. So mama, please arrest.
Yeah.
Yes,
but
you just
African man will
touch me. Say coming.
Hey, me citizen America. Nonsense. Excuse me, nonsense.
You are playing with me, eh? Okay, so I'm gonna be new with you. Me see me watch what? Me watch what? Me see a show to Muria. Ma say you were pie. Asa ye onya do wa. Okay, damn me.
Mama can't tell me.
Damn me.
Ah, me so Ghana police. One is our police for no. Who tell me? One is our police for no. Me so mo. Me so they do kwasam.
What will you do? Again, I'll be. Mr. I'm daring you to touch me.
What they do some who me a citizen of America.
I'm daring you. Obey. I'm daring you. Hey. This boy. Okay, we shall see. All right, the game has just begun.
Mami ni wachi kwa kan wasem ma. E ma mimi ni wachi kwa kan wasem ma. Wo asem ato na mimi di wachi akoka bia ma. Hwe de wo kire kire me. E no so e ka sei.
Wo yo ba kokon ni pa ye ni pa boni ni wo.
Ah.
Sa me bla nya me nwa ba ye wo de. Onwu subai. So onwu subai. Ko jame kwa ya wo sa me ho. Jame kwa ya wo sane san no ho. Ko no ko pa vanza ato no. Wa no kate sa kurani. So ko gwa wale no.
Kese me boni amaye no.
O bo na sam no kan ye.
Aha kwa na ye kwa ye no. Ya me kwa ye ni na ye kwase asem.
Na wo hwe ye nya sasam na ye no.
Oh sa.
O hwe ye nya sasam. Na wo ye wonim. Sasa. Sasa.
Ensan.
Yo pemi ani ye.
Ya unya wasem a wo ho afa.
Ye! Minni mo aka me kwa.
Baba o chanyu mrei.
Minni mo aka me kwa. Ate.
Me and anyone, and how I am how, and I'm a deal with you. Man, what I that the Ababa one and I watch them. What is there? We come out in any children. Said you any perform. Now, what we are not back. They say, Dimachi, they did Dimachi.
Uncle Sujangu. Uncle Sujangu. And then the panic Kasa.
I think I sell phone now. What do you have some phone? Your queen, what is are they? Who are they? Huh? Me brocha, what it? Me brocha. What it? Walk away, huh? Walk away. Oh, Jeff on Saka. So I said, on Saka. So we are halfway. I'll buy you. Wouldn't you be man? Your man will want your baby. Hey, hey, you go for me. Wow.
No. So, California, I am crank cardio. Me ko try the I can't himself at California.
Eh?
No.
Hey.
Yeah, by your money to what? Chopper, and you won't so more, my uncle. Simple. Now, be sure you are Baba wage. Wow. Now, see, and soup was here, book as a potato. And I may come in your Bemasi. Memma was with you, just a minion, only matter more. We trying to phone me. That would your phone. Ah, would you have their phone? And I had day. I know, Van's a wolf fool. I feel pen my head. I'll put my money. Me. One cast some numbers are come and Tony, you don't understand near my Samlano. What quiet nothing in Boo for now to be able to be. As more catcher and any I was in the booth. Ah, any Moon was somebody else in the booth, just say, Ade, you have a cast manager also more booth. I heard the way I watched it and was your wound so bad. Hey, Bearman so Jan Wakafano, and yes, you can't go one your pen in your book. As your baby said, well, nobody will want them. I know I can't. We have a foul flap, I will buy it. Show Nancy and her papa, but then watching all. Bring your baby elbow, who come and the way you pack. What is you are soon in our boat or nothing, a baby. Who you yammy, who you know, Tana was all by it. I think I say, I know call Venzano. So, where did you tell me? I got church, you got China say. And I know yes, or bet you was again and can you hold on beg Japan. Just I want to be two of you sending an entire papa is and I will buy a penny. You can me coming. I went. Oh, you are Jimmy through or coming and found. Share. Are now, because some book, I'll go what you'll be an entire papa and if Piano Trifiane, who you have been more here and there's some moon castle. No, there's a mode you cry or don't wait to fool signing Jimmy over Jabema and then we Jabema, sir.
I am it. So kind name it.
This is it. Akwasi.
Hey, ja.
Mansa na ho ye de.
Papa.
We ni na che. You so single sisi anu mani age.
Papa. No calipo ni biscuit.
Oh, ya da ba de na.
Ya we de me sa kan.
Oh, when I da wasi. Nipa de ye funu ho ye wo de anime. Se me ba na ni je be wie peye. Ani ade ham. Sisi ya wo ma me be isiri. Let's walk so no see any power wiase. Na if you hold it because me can.
Ja, Are, what's it? Just feel free just to tell me, yeah? Amen.
Mansa.
Papa.
And yet, Messi Quine Kakra. Why?
Papa, oh,
oh, that be. Oh, Mansa, do any Kakra. Why?
Papa,
that be that way. But I knew if you have me could do their way. Why? Morning yet. Why? I was it. So, Quanafi.
Mate.
I mean, come on.
Every day, sorry, okay. Mommy, I mean, she do. Umpe me the enemy. And you're the own. Me the
me pe calipo.
That means I am me penumpe. Me go.
Me say. Me say me pe calipo. Hey, oh give me biscuit.
That like I was telling you now. Time and time God for no man, so what you say. And that baby I'm tifie drone we no be na ba be chem say akosi we na be boa na say we enye the emboa. That the be na be fese ifia hanom enkura bi su a mbe disturb a obetia mo. That the chene say I've come to realize Mansa me pese menene koto dama dankwa. So what I say, Daddy, right now no ono na me pese me ware no. Maswa nsu aswa ensa na me hodie modu. Mansa yoba me dona me pese me ware no. When komo tintin ya na me pese me ne odi no.
Where does it come with Son, I've heard you. And the matter of love is a very delicate one. This matter of love of yours, it's a very delicate one. And I believe you agree with me on this note because Nya Kenya nyese bia ye pese ye chawnia ye nyese bia ye pese yisu kwan nyese bia ye pese wo be ware when na ga dia ware ha ofia audition adishifie audition ba na ye hwe kwan be fa so be ye ade a enkofa nsem bebre mfamba because unya kodi odo no nko achi ne awo akoma pe no nko achi a wanhwe na on the other side na ye wo maame so side ne me side no na collapse and it will affect you as well. So we agree with you, but let's have the right way of handling this. Na nkonko atwema mentwe na afedi bufu because this is a matter that must be accepted with joy. Not a memory phobia and I say no me I want us to handle this so nicely so that we can celebrate with you. That's all. So just relax. Your mom is not around. While she's in I will just talk to her. We just come to a conclusion and then we'll help you on this.
Daddy, I got you, but on say Daddy, I think say ba in African society anymore say a jamo a decision a say yes sir. I think say yes. Mama ne no cry. The ATM mama make say say Daddy, mommy unim said ye o sit here Mr. Daddy, oh yes no ama menya stronger pillar be say
yes, sure.
Definitely almost 80% there.
No 85.
It is what it is. Daddy, thanks for your words and then let's know na put things in order na emfa enkundene enyede embra.
But I think you have a lesson to learn here. Don't ever go behind your wife to do stuff. Agree with her.
Come on, Daddy. Sometimes, man, a man, no back like a dog. Be so hard now. One charm for the chair. Uti na sempe ubona.
No, tie no. Never be beefing. Never go. Maninya aware. But men koye unaware.
Say me copy. We thought that uti parents no. I say on fire.
You're being smart.
Oh, bending.
Okay, it is well.